In addition to the one I uploaded earlier, these are some of the exercises taken from the book on the laws of exponents. So we have here x cubed times x to the fourth times x. Just simply add the exponents. So we have 3 x has an exponent of 1. So the answer is x to the 8. And we have here quantity x cubed y times quantity xy squared. Simply add also the exponents. So we have x cubed times x. So 3 plus 1 is, and then y times y squared, we have 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Then we have number 3. 2y squared times quantity minus 3xy quantity square. We have to expand this term first, or this factor, before we can multiply with this term. So we will expand this first. So minus 3 times minus 3 is 9. X times x is, y times y is, and then we can now multiply. 2 times 9 is 18. And then we have x squared, and y squared times y squared is y to the 2 plus 2 is 4. So the answer is 18 x squared y to the 4. Now let's go to number 4. We have x squared divided by x cubed. So the common factor is x squared. So x squared divided by x squared is 1. And then x cubed divided by x squared is x to the 1, or just x. So the answer is 1 over x, or 3 minus 2, because when you bring this down, that would become negative. So 3 minus 2 is 1, or just x. And then we have number 5. N to the minus 4 divided by n to the minus 2. So we'll bring that down. That would be now n, and then the minus 4 becomes positive. So we have now n minus 2 plus 4 is 2. So the answer is 1 over n squared. Now I think you have no problem of this. I just try to illustrate this for you to remember the different laws of exponents. And then let's try a harder one. This is a harder one. Now let us adjust our camera, our cell phone. Okay. So we have here quantity minus 81 y squared times quantity 1 over 27 y to the 4th times quantity minus 1/3 y to the 5th. Now take note that 81 is just the product of 27 and 3. But sometimes the relationship between the numbers are not so visible, so we have to try some division. But I suggest that the best thing to do is find the biggest number that can divide both the numbers. So in this case, 81 can be divided by 9, and 27 can be divided by 9. So 81 divided by 9 that would be 9. And then 27 divided by 9, that would be 3. But 9 can be divided by 3, so we can divide that one. So what is left is 3, and what is left here is 1. But we have 3 here, and we have also 3 here. So we can cancel this 3, and we can cancel that 1. So what is left is just the minus y squared and y to the 4th and minus y to the 5th. So the answer now is y squared so you add the exponent 2 and then y to the 4th plus 4 and then y to the 5th plus 5. That would be y to the, by the way, negative times positive is negative because this quantity is positive. And then negative because the sign here of these two factors is negative times negative here in the third term. So the sign is positive. So we have now positive y to the 11. So the answer is y to the 11. I hope you were able to follow this. And please follow and like to support my channel. Thank you.